In today's Instagram tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of finding both your Instagram username and password. Simply follow along and watch the video until the end to avoid any mistakes. Using Google Password Manager. 1. Open a web browser on your phone and go to google.com. Two, ensure you're signed into your Google account. 3. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. 4. Navigate to the Security section and scroll down to find Password Manager. 5. Tap Manage Passwords, then use the search bar to look for Instagram. 6. Select the relevant entry to view your saved email address and password. Finding your Instagram username is much simpler. Open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device and go to your profile page by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Your username will be displayed at the top of the screen. Let me know in the comments what your Instagram username is. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.